Ford Protect wants your owner experience to be effortless and free from the unexpected, providing you valued protection and peace of mind. A Ford Protect PremiumCARE extended service plan is 100% backed by Ford Motor Company, using Ford-authorized parts, Ford-trained technicians, and is honored at all Ford or Lincoln dealerships across the US, Canada, and Mexico. Ford Protect ensures the confidence that you'll be taken care of the right way, on and off the road. As vehicles become more complex to fix, Ford Protect PremiumCARE covers more than 1,000 key components, including high-tech computers and systems, protecting you from the rising cost for vehicle repairs. With flexible time and mileage bands to meet your driving needs, you'll be protected well beyond the new vehicle limited warranty. Ford Protect PremiumCARE is designed by Ford for your Ford, so drive on with confidence, no matter where the road takes you. Insist on Ford Protect.